The tire is completely flat and probably the tire is punctured. So I'm using this jack, to lift this car and take out the tire out, and then we'll try to use a puncture filler and fix this tire. So before lifting the car, you need to loosen the screws. So that is a proper way to take out the tire out. Before lifting, you need to loosen the screws and place the jack, in where the jack is supported. So there is an extra rod for this one. In Ertiga, in different cars it will be different places. Need to place there and lift the car. So once the jack is placed properly, put this hook onto this and then use the other tool and put it inside like this, and then hold it like this, and then just rotate it like this. This is the proper way to lift the car. Then you can remove the screws and take out the tire. So I'll be doing exactly that. Tire low. So then you'll have to use a tire inflator. I'm using this from Go Mechanic. It's a car powered tire inflator. Connect it to the car and then fill the tire a little. Make some soap water like this using detergent or some liquid. Put the soap water onto the tire, all around the tire, so that you can see some bubbles coming out like this. So once you start seeing the bubbles, you can be sure that the puncture is on that spot. And you need to have a tool like this, puncture kit tool, like this, to fill our punctured tires.
So as you can see, the bubbles are still coming out, and this is where we need to make a hole with the T handle. So we need to use this handle to make a larger hole so that we can insert our strip properly. So just push this as hard as possible so that it goes completely inside. So once it's completely inside, you can just pull it out, and if needed you can do this thing again. Then take the puncture strip from this and put it inside this T handle. It's an insert T handle, so we need to insert the strip between the gap. So once inserted perfectly, you can remove the other T handle where we made a large hole. And then push this thing inside so that the gap, whatever we made, gets filled with this strip, and it will be completely sealed, and there won't be any more air leakage. It will be completely sealed, and then you can slowly pull it out. There's a little gap between this insert tool from where this strip will come out, so you don't have to worry much about it. And slowly remove it, and it should come out easily. So once it comes out, you can test again with soap water to see if there is any bubbles that is getting formed or any bubbles that is coming out. So if it's not, then the sealing is successful. So you can check for any other places to see if there is any bubble that is getting formed. If there is, then you'll have to seal that area as well. If not, then you're all good. You can cut out the extra strip if not required, or else leave it as it is. And then it's time to put everything back, tighten the screws, remove the jack, and fill some air if required. So yeah, that's about it. It's as simple as that. Hope this was useful. If you liked it, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye.